Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this third generation iPod Classic that I got at eBay. So let's get started. Alright, so the iPod is actually in a bag here, inside the box. It's in some nice bubble wrap to protect it. I should get the iPod Classic itself, the FireWire dock, and the charger itself. Alright, there's the iPod. This is the third generation Classic here. Really nice condition. Got the FireWire brick right here. The charging dock for the iPod here. Really handy. And then the FireWire to 30-pin cable. That's all this in there. Now, oh, looks like it does have a charge. So it's already powering on. May be hard to see this on camera, but it is turning on. Yeah, so there's not much power left in the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up using my iBook G4 here. Go and do that now. And the iPod is now charging. Very surprisingly, it did show up in iTunes over FireWire. So I can charge in sync over the same cable. Very helpful. Now it's gonna let me rename it to Garrett's iPod, which is what I do want. As you guys can see, it automatically started syncing my music. The syncing from iTunes has completed. I forgot to mention, the charger is not one where you just pull it out. You pinch the sides, then it comes out. I remember using this type of charger a lot when I was a kid, the USB version of this. iPod Classic 3rd Gen came out in 2003. It was the only iPod to have 100% full touch without any buttons to press. You just tap them. Very unusual. The ones I'm used to are the photo version, which had the click wheel. That's the one I'm used to. It's on FireWire, but syncs only on USB. But this apparently still does charge on FireWire. I had 4 buttons at the top here. The menu button, play button, and fast forward buttons. This is the 20 gig iPod model. I paid $93 for this. But the photo version will still be my daily media player because I prefer the color display over the monochrome one. It does sound weird when it clicks, but it does have a charging sound. When I put it on the charging dock, it makes a sound. So that's the iPod Classic 3rd Gen eBay unboxing today. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up for the video. Peace out.